In this video, we are going to learn what is switch statement, when we use it, and a simple program to see this. Hello everyone, myself Gulab Moria. I am going to discuss these things with you. Switch case is used when we have multiple conditions to check. It is another way of writing if-else statement. A basic switch statement is much simpler to understand than a complex if statement. Syntax for switch goes like this: switch statement, switch keyword, and the expressions to evaluate, and then the cases means the conditions that we are going to check, and these are the statement. Once conditions is met, these are the statement that will be executed, and this is the default one. It's like else part. If nothing is met, if no condition is met, then this default will be executed. Let's see that in action. Let's flip to Visual Studio. I have opened console app in front of you, and I'm writing a program to demonstrate you the use of switch statement. The basic aim of this program is to take the model number from user and display the correct model number. Let's start writing switch case. Switch we can write a keyword switch, and then the expression as I showed you earlier. Instead of expression, I'm giving you here the model number, and now the curly braces. And what next is, we can write case. Here I'm writing case 1001 colon, then whatever statement I wish to write, I can put here. For now, I'm writing console dot write line. I will print Honda Amaze, the one of the model for Honda. Then I'll put a break here. Break is to come out of the switch statement once the condition is met. Similarly, I can put another conditions case, that is to Accord, Honda Accord. This is another model for Honda car. Now I can put another. This is like if else statement that I'm writing now, but in the case 1, case 2, case 3. I can have another one. I can have whatever any number of cases here. And now suppose if this model number, if these condition doesn't meet anything, this condition doesn't meet, like, then what I can do, I can put a default here, like else in if case, default case. This is default, where I can print no model to choose. No model to choose. No model available, I will write. It makes more sense. Default, I think this is the, I don't know how it is not coming. We need to put a break also in default. Once you put a break, the error has gone. Now this case means if condition. Case 001 means if the model number is 001, then it will execute the statements inside the case. If the model number is 002, then it will execute this one, and so on. It's like if 1001, else if 1002, else if 1003, and this default is somewhat similar to else condition. Let's see, run it and see how it goes. I will enter 1002. It should give me Accord. Yeah, it has given Accord. Okay, let me correct these statements. I should have something else, like Honda City, Honda Jazz. Okay, we'll run it for another option, like we'll see for 1004. It's running. It has come. We'll put 1004 1004. It has come Zaz. Now we'll run for the default. I'll not put any of the things from the option, and we'll run for the default one. It should print me no model available. I'll enter 1009. No model available. See, it's working. That's it in this video. Thank you for listening.